Welcome everyone. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix hibernation not working on Linux Mint. The process is straightforward. No extra software needed. You'll just need enough free disk space, at least equal to your RAM, ideally a bit more. Let's start by reproducing the issue. When I open the terminal and run sudo systemctl hibernate, I get the error. Call to hibernate failed. Not enough swap space for hibernation. This usually means there's no active swap configured, something quite common on Linux Mint installations. First, let's confirm your system's memory and swap status. Free-H, look for the swap row. If it's 0, there's no swap enabled. Then verify swap on -- show. If nothing is printed, swap is indeed inactive. Now we'll create a swap file. Run sudo allocate -l 10 gigabytes /swap file. Adjust 10 gigabytes based on your RAM size. RAM plus some extra is recommended. Proper permissions. Sudo chmod 600 /swap file format. swap sudo mkswap /swap file. Enable it. Sudo swap on /swap file to ensure the swap file loads on every boot. Echo /swap file. Nunswap sw00 pipe sudo t-a/etc/fstab. Verify it was added. Tail -n1/etc/fstab. Now, we need two key pieces of information. One, get the swap file offset. Sudo filefrag -v /swap file pipe. Block open brace if open parenthesis $1 equals quote 0 colon quote close parenthesis open brace print $4 close brace 2. Copy it and save it somewhere for later. Get your root partition UUID find mnd dash no UUID /. Copy it and save it somewhere for later. Open the GRUB config sudo nano /etc/default /grub. Find this line grub _cmd line _linux _default equals quiet splash and modify it to include resume equals u UID equals your dash UUID resume _offset equals offset. Replace your -UUID with your actual UUID offset with the value from earlier. GRUB _cmdline _linux _default equals quote quiet splash resume equals UUID equals paste. Your petition UUID resume _offset equals your file offset. Update, grub, sudo update -grub. Then quote, wait for grub to update its configuration. Update initramps, sudo update -initramps -u -k all. Wait for initramps to update its fs tab. Now, test it, sudo systemctl hibernate. If everything is correct, your system should successfully hibernate. You can double check. Free dash h swap on dash dash. Show your swap file should now be active. Your hibernation should now work perfectly on Linux Mint. You're all set. Here is a bonus for you. This command will allow your system to optimize memory usage using your RAM instead of your disk. For older systems with limited RAM, you can tweak swap usage. ecovm.swappiness equals 10, pipe sudo t /etc/sys ctl.d/99-swappiness.conf. Apply it. Sudo sys/p/etc/sys ctl.d/99-swappiness.conf, and that's it. Now you're good to go. If this tutorial helped you, consider liking and subscribing. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.